China has made an important commitment to achieve carbon peaking by 2030 and carbon neutrality by 2060. I have always been curious how the world's largest developing country will achieve its target in the most ambitious reduction in carbon intensity. Recently, the Bureau of Ecology and Environment in Zhongshan, the city where I live in, has launched a one-day tour which promotes ecological and environmental protection knowledge to its citizens through low-carbon practice cases. I've come to Zhongshan Canvas Environment Education Base, which is located in Waste Comprehensive Treatment Facility in Waisha Village, Shenwan County. From the outside, it's hard to imagine that this is an incineration power plant. It's really beautiful and not smelly at all, completely different from what I've imagined. How they do it? Let's go inside and check it out. Along the tour route, you can see the entire process of waste incineration and power generation through these glass walls. The staff here told me that this plant processes over 1.2 million of tons of household waste annually, generating over 700 millions of kilowatts of electricity per year. That is equivalent to saving 160,000 tons of standard coal and reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 430,000 tons per year, or equivalent to planting 4 million trees. Next, I've come to visit the Fuxing New Village. It is a village in the northern district of Zhongshan in Shaolan Township. The community is a low-carbon demonstration population in Guangdong Province. Rainwater is used to irrigate green plants that absorb carbon dioxide. Indoor daily electricity is supplied by solar photovoltaic panels on the roof. All garbage is intelligently recycled through the Internet of Things. Kitchen waste is composted for organic planting. The solar photovoltaic carports are built here to charge residents' electric cars. The villagers are taking action to realize mutual sharing, benefit, recycling, and putting net zero carbon into practice. Carbon neutrality sounds sophisticated, but it's actually closely related to our daily lives. For example, the 1.5 kilometer zero carbon trail with solar photovoltaic lamps is built in Tuhing National Wetland Park to popularize low carbon life. Chishi Village is home to a group of ecological conservation practitioners who are engaged in ecological planting, environmental education, and community building, forming a path to rural revitalization with a healthy ecological development. From urban areas to rural areas, people in Zhongshan are striving to achieve green and low-carbon lifestyles in various ways. Low-carbon environmental protection originates in humans' sincere love for life and feelings for nature. Waste incineration plants, waste-free communities, low-carbon industries. Zhongshan's clear ecological itinerary not only showcases changes, but also leads to a green development, leading the city into the new phase of low-carbon growth.